What's poppin', designers? So make sure you join my Telegram group where I will be sharing with you guys some free mockups, free flyers, free posters, whatever you guys might need. And soon I will be dropping my 100 poster flyer designs. So make sure you do join the group because they will be going for a very low price. See you guys later. And now we want to work on the background image, right? But the first thing you have to do is, if this image it comes in as a smart object, I want you to rasterize layer. We want to get a background on this poster, and this is a rule of thumb, guys. Take note of what I'm saying right now. Whenever you're looking for the perfect background color, let's just get that. These are the darker colors of the banana, and here we can see the lighter colors. So what we want is a mid-tone color, where the light and the darkness meet. That middle tone is what always makes the best background image. Let me show you guys how. Let me stop talking. Let me just show you. Now we're going to create a spiral effect, and this spiral effect is actually pretty simple. I'll show you guys. So make sure that this image is not a smart object. Then what we want to do is press Ctrl T, and then over here you see this this icon over here. For mine is already selected. Yours will probably be unselected. So what I want you to do is select and then grab this icon over here. Let me just twist my image, because if I turn it around it will look better. So basically what this thing does is that it finds the point of the image where it can rotate. So that's basically what we're doing. Ctrl T, make sure it's selected, then tap on this icon over here, and then we're going to select its midpoint. Let me zoom in to see what's going on. Yes, perfect. Press on Shift and rotate the image. Okay, this is perfect for me, so I'm going to press done. And once we're done with that, let go of anything. Show your hands. Press Control, Shift, Alt, and T. Perfect. Let's just select all of this and merge it as one. I mean, this was actually the hardest part of the whole design. Once this is done, then I mean everything is pretty much very simple.